Welcome to 20 Car. Some machines are built for luxury, others for speed. And then there's the 2025 Hummer H1 concept, a mechanical colossus engineered to dominate the world's harshest landscapes. Its imposing, squared-off stance, military-grade steel plating, and towering 40-inch tires send a clear message: roads are optional. Inside, function meets fortress. Aerospace-grade materials, a 12.9-inch command center, and a drone-assisted terrain scanner turn the cockpit into a tactical war room. The adaptive suspension lifts and lowers at will, and the revolutionary AI-controlled drivetrain maps out the best off-road paths in real time. Underneath its armor, the H1 concept embraces the future, an electric quad motor setup pushing 1,200 horsepower and 15,000 newton-meters of torque. This beast hits 0-100 kilometers height in just 3.4 seconds, a number that defies logic for a vehicle this massive. Crab walk mode, water wading capabilities, and reinforced underbody shielding make it virtually unstoppable. Facing competition from the Ford Bronco Raptor and Mercedes G-Class 4x4 squared, the H1 remains king of extreme terrain. But its astronomical price, oversized dimensions, and limited practicality make it a machine for the truly fearless. For those who refuse to be tamed, will you claim the ultimate off-road throne?